Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI MS-C907 embedded box IPC. So friend, MSI has announced robust and versatile embedded box IPC designed to meet the demanding requirement of various industries beyond the suitable for chemical industry and friend, the MS-C907 boasts a power options and display port and HDMI output for versatile display configuration, extensive connectivity. It's another highlight with USB 4, 3.2 ports, 6 USB 2.0 port, and 2 COM ports, and 8 GPIO ports for seamless connection for industrial equipments and friend security and network performance. Are prioritized with dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports and TPM 2.0 support, and the mini PC is built through operating reliable in temperatures ranging from -10 to 55 degrees Celsius, even with additional thermal devices, and powering the workspace are the latest Intel Core i3 and 305 and N97 processor, and the powerful processor enables it to handle complex data processing and management tasks typical in various industries. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.